In this video, I'm going to introduce you to the Pigeon Forge Rod Run for 2020. The Pigeon Forge Rod Run is one of the largest car shows in the southeastern United States. They do two every year. They do one in the spring and one in the fall. The one in the fall is typically a little larger with more vehicles than the one in the spring, but no matter which one you come to, you can expect to see cars lined up along the strip in Pigeon Forge from end to end for miles in every direction. And if you visit the Conte Center, they have a showroom full of the prize-winning cars that get entered in to be judged for that year's Rod Run. It is a fantastic car show, and in this video I'm just going to give you a couple clips of some of the cars that have already started to show up here this year for the Rod Run. The Rod Run is officially scheduled for the Thursday, Friday, and Saturday of whatever week they plan it for during the year. So these are just a few of the early comers to Pigeon Forge. Expect to see a few more videos later in the week as cars continue to show up for the fall 2020 Rod Run in Pigeon Forge, Tennessee.